Hello friends, welcome to Abednego Online Math. Today we are looking at chemistry, pH scale calculations. Okay, we have been doing the other previous videos on pH scale calculation, but today we are looking at how to calculate H positive of a solution. That is hydrogen positive of a solution, the hydrozonium ion. Okay, now let's look at a question. It says calculate H positive for each of the following solutions. We have pH equals to 5.0, pH equals to 6.00, and pH equals to 7.0. But to start now, we know that we have to first of all remember that pH, the formula is that pH is equals to minus the log of H positive. We close the bracket. It therefore means that minus the log of H positive is equals to pH. We can also remove this minus sign. If we are going to have log H positive equals to minus pH. But in this case now, pH is 5.0. So what we are going to have is, we are going to have log H positive equals to minus 5.00. So what are we going to do now to make H positive the subject of formula now? For us to make the H positive the subject of formula, H positive becomes the anti-log. This is log. Now to remove logarithm, you introduce anti-log. So we are going to have the anti-log logarithm of minus 5.00. So what is the anti-log of that expression now? The anti-log of minus 5.00 becomes, H positive now becomes, the anti-log becomes 1.0 times 10 raised to power minus 5. That is how we can solve that question. So H positive, that is H positive. Okay, let's look at H positive for this solution now. The same thing now, we are just going to apply the same thing. pH equals to pH or minus H positive. Just use this formula here, this one that I have derived for you. So use it now. If you use it, what are you going to have? Minus H positive is equals to pH. But pH is minus H logarithm H positive, or minus log H positive is equals to pH. Then minus log H positive equals to put the value of your pH, which is 6. Then the next thing is to take logarithm, or we can say log H positive is equals to this minus sign, we have minus 6. I seen it. Then H positive itself becomes the anti-log. To make H positive the formula, anti-log of minus 6. Anti-log of minus 6. So H positive becomes 1.0 times 10 raised to power minus what? 6. That is H positive for you in that solution now. So with that, you can find the pH of this one and this one using classwork. Okay, let me do III. Let me show you. Sorry, IV. Let me do IV. Let me show you that one. Okay, we have our minus log H positive equals to pH. So what is our pH? Our pH in IV, please. This IV that I'm trying to do, our pH is minus log H positive is equals to, our pH is 3. So we have 3. Then the next thing is what is the next thing you can do? The next thing becomes log H positive becoming minus 3. So H positive now, if you are making logarithm, you are making H positive the subject formula, it becomes, as this logarithm move to this other side, it becomes the anti-log of minus 3. So H positive becomes, the anti-log of minus 3 is 1 times 10 raised to power minus 3. So just understand the concept now. Do this one as classwork. So without solving itself, the answer is very clear on the board using this approach. So that is how you can find H positive of a given solution. Thank you for watching the video. Watch previous video on how I find pH scales. It will help you. Welcome. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, follow our Facebook page, share videos with your friends that are having challenges in chemistry, mathematics, further math, and physics. Thank you.